Being his home church, Governor Obiano single-handedly rebuilt it as a personal commitment to his Catholic faith and a practicing Christian. The clergy, including Most Reverend Valerian Okeke, Most Reverend Dennis Isizo, Most Reverend Hilary Okeke, the political class, including the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Primus Odili, the traditional ruler of Nteje, Igwe Rolando Debo, cabinet members of Aguleri, among others, attended the Mass. Governor Obiano said that the move was a demonstration of his love for God and humanity, adding that himself and his wife have engaged in humanitarian services for over the years, saying that the choice of St. Joseph was because of its rich history as the oldest church in the Southern Protectorate. Describing the day as special, the governor appreciated His Eminence for coming in person to perform the function and called on the people of Aguleri to increase their commitment to God and church through propagation of the gospel. Earlier in a homily, Francis Cardinal Arinze highlighted what the church represents and the expectations from Christians, pointing out that the church, as a symbol of the New Jerusalem, represents the body of Jesus Christ and commended the governor's gesture. The auxiliary bishop of Onitsha Diocese, Most Reverend Isizo, who gave a brief history of St. Joseph Church, explained that the artifacts and design of the church are deliberate, adding that the church, having been consecrated by His Eminence, is now more recognized the world over. Speaking to the ABS, the member representing Onitsha 2 constituency, Mr. Edi Ibuzo, said that living a life of giving is expected of everyone, irrespective of religion, status, or class. Prayer of dedication, consecration of the altar and the entire church with chrism oil and incense by His Eminence amidst sonorous tunes and renditions by the choir featured at the Mass. From St. Joseph Catholic Church, Aguleri, Ejike Abana, ABS News.